Are you tired thinking about budgeting apps with splash of flair? Here's a comparison video of Quicken Simplify and Rocket Money for the year of 2025. So let's discuss about the Quicken Simplify. I have made some pros and cons for the each of the platforms. Let's discuss about Quicken Simplify. So the pros are it's a very user-friendly interface. As you guys can see that the website looks very professional, and once you start with the application, it looks very user-oriented. Simplify is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, making it a great choice for those who need help in budgeting apps. So the comprehensive financial overview. It consolidates all your bank accounts, investments, and retirement savings and more in one place. The next thing is customizable budgets and saving goals. So you guys can always uh, customize budgets or saving goal. You can set personalized budgets and track your progress towards saving goals. Automated debt tracking. Simplify helps you keep an eye on your debt balance automatically. There are some cons to the Quick and Simplify website as well. So this platforms is limited feature in free versions. While the app offers a lot, some of the more advanced features are locked behind a paywall. So you have to pay almost $6, $5.99 per month, which is billed annually. You have to pay for the whole year in advance, so it might be a bit pricey for some users. So let's talk about Rocket Money. Rocket Money has a lot of pros as well. So the subscription management, Rocket Money excels at tracking and managing subscription, helping you cancel those you no longer needed. Bill negotiations, the app can negotiate bills on your behalf, potentially saving your money. Credit monitoring, it provides insight into your credit scores and help you keep track of it. The premium version starts with $6 per month, offering a lot of value to the price. So it also got some cons, which is some users might find Rocket Money interface a bit complex at first because for the beginner users and for a new user that is investing in the budgeting apps, the interface might be a little bit too complicated. So limited budgeting tools, while it offers a lot of features, its budgeting tools aren't as robust as those at Simplify. So my word it is both Quick and Simplify and Rocket Money have their own strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for a user-friendly app with comprehensive budgeting tools, Simplify might be the way to go. On the other hand, if you need help managing subscriptions and negotiation bills, Rocket Money could be the best bet for you. So this is not a personal financial advice or any sort of thing, but this is an honest review based on the internet research that I have done on these two platforms. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.